Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color Bluey and her mother. Let's start drawing. I'm going to draw her mother. Her name is Chilli. I start with her eyes. Then I draw her nose. After having the kids, Mom's family's gone back to her job working at airport security. And her smiling mouth. And her eyebrows too. But she feels comfortable throwing herself into a game and can always see the fun side of parenthood. Draw the shape of her head. Then I draw her ears in the shape of a triangle. Now I continue with her body. I draw her arms. Finally, I draw her patches around her body. Now I'm going to draw Bluey. I start with her eyes. Then I draw her nose like this and her smiling mouth. I draw the shape of her head and her eyebrows too. Then I draw her triangle-shaped ears. Now I continue with her body. I draw her arms. Bluey is a 6-year-old blue heeler puppy who loves to play. Then I draw her legs. Finally, I draw her patches around her body. And her tail. Bravo! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I color Chilli first. I use this light cream color at the beginning. She has the same color fur as Bingo. And also for her ears. Dark brown, red. Finally, I use this light brown marker. Let's color Bluey. To start, I'm going to use cream around the nose. And also for her inner ears, black. Then I use dark blue around her eyes for her ears and patches. Then I use this blue marker. Finally, I use this light blue marker for her hair. How cool! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.